All right, here for another episode of Quarantine Science. We've got Ambrose James Kissel. Ambrose, what are we doing today?
Making a volcano with dinosaurs for the decoration.
Making a volcano. We're gonna do this upright. We're gonna decorate it. So when you're making a volcano, it's just a simple acid-base reaction. So you need a base, which we're gonna use baking soda, sodium bicarbonate. And you need some kind of acid. You can use any kind of vinegar, it's acetic acid, or you can use like a citric acid, whatever you want. We've got some dinosaurs here, right?
For the decorations.
Yeah, for the decorations. We've also got a bottle that we're going to do the reaction in.
And my brother Logan.
That's right. Or is it Flash? Hey, Flash, you want to say hi to everybody? Come here, Flash. All
That's
right.
my brother.
If you want a really big volcano, you can use a bigger container. What we're going to do is we're actually going to make our own plaster. We're going to recycle the paper pulp from egg cartons, which is just recycled paper anyways. So Ambrose, we've got an old egg carton here. What I need you to do is tear that up into little pieces and then put it in that glass bowl right there. Can you do that?
I need something to help me.
You need a dinosaur to help you? What's your favorite dinosaur?
Stegosaurus and T-Rex.
Well, you might want to use both of them. I bet they could tear an egg carton to shreds.
Oh, Dad, I know what the spikiest one in here. Feel this. It kind of hurts. It really scratches.
Oh, yeah, that does hurt. What kind of dinosaur is that?
Mom, did you remember what this is?
We'll have to look that up later. All right, Ambrose.
It was a picture of something.
We need you to take the egg carton and tear it up into little pieces and put it in the bowl. Oh.
You made a little hole.
All right, you got your
Dog
started.
smash!
Nice. And so what you can do is you can pour a little hot water on there to dissolve it and let it sit for a couple hours. You could also use a little bit of vinegar, a little bit of acid, and that can dissolve your paper fibers there to create a little cellulose mixture. Nice.
Empty egg, and we mashed it up with water and
Yeah, we put some hot water in there and a little bit of vinegar or citric acid, and we let it sit for 2 hours, and it got real soupy, kind of like oatmeal. So we turned the paper back into pulp. All right, shape that volcano some more.
I just touched it. It has yuck. It feels so good.
Does it feel slimy and plastery?
Now I'm sticky. Looks like I.
You got your dinosaurs? All right, we got our volcano ready. We're gonna go set that up outside with some dinosaurs.
Now, Mom.
And we created a solution of citric acid and water. You can also just use good old vinegar if you want. We're gonna pour some baking soda down in the top and then add the acid and watch the sparks fly.
It's gonna be okay.
Yeah, it'll be fine.
Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and put a funnel in there. And Ambrose, you're gonna pour the baking soda in the funnel. Pour a bunch in there. Okay, that's good, that's good. Okay, that's quite a bit.
It's gonna be a big one.
All right, now do you want some different colors in there? You want to put some food colors in?
Yeah.
Okay, I'll give you the food colors. You can go ahead and put those in there.
Closer look.
I'll go too.
Okay.
Watch too, right here.
Can I?
Look at the dinosaurs.
Mr. Pete, Miss Lisa, Sophie, and Honey are all there.
In one heroic Prius.
Dad, can I go too?
Have a nice blue sidewalk.
Dad.
Hey, that's
Yep,
my nice
here,
cutting board.
let me help you.
It out.
Another one, Dad.
Let's see if we got some more in there.
Yeah!
Oh, second eruption!
Yeah!